Hello and welcome to Pichaya channel. In this video, I will show you my way of solving the level 1 and level 2 of this case. Let's start. For the level 1, the question is, for each of these boards, how many black and white pieces in total are there in the board? So this is simple, but if you want to use the count if, be careful because these cells, the white cells, are not blank. They are the zero length string. So I will show two approaches. The first one, I will use the concat all the cells, the 64 cells, and then I would use the length. So this is, I will get the answer this way. Then another way is I will use the count if. So I will count how many of the blank cells. Then I will minus them from the 64. So I must use the 64 minus count if. This one equal to the zero length string. See, like this, I will get the same answer. Okay, this one and this one. Let's continue to the level 2. The question is, for each of these boards, how many blank pieces are there on the board? Okay, for this one I will use count if. So I copy this one first, or just mark it count if the range here equal to black. Okay, or the another easy way to do of this black is I can just choose any cell with the black and lock it. Also get the same answer. Yep. Okay, that's all for the level 1 and level 2. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them. Thank you.